The sixth learning objective is to retire bonds payable. Normally, companies wait until maturity to pay off or retire their bonds payable. The basic retirement entry debits bonds payable and credits cash, as we saw in the chapter. But companies sometimes retire their bonds prior to maturity. The main reason for retiring bonds early is to relieve the pressure of paying the interest payments. Some bonds are callable, which means the company may call or pay off the bonds at a specified price. The call price is usually 100 or a few percentage points above maturity value, perhaps 101 or 102, to provide an incentive to the bondholder. Callable bonds give the issuer a flexibility to pay off the bonds when it benefits the company. An alternative to calling the bonds is to purchase them in the open market at their current market price. Whether the bonds are called or purchased in the open market, the journal entry is the same. Suppose on December 31st, 2013, a company has $100,000 of bonds payable outstanding with a remaining discount balance of $3,081. The original price of $38.15. That's $100,000 minus $96,141, less the straight line amortization of $385 in June and less the amortization of $385 in December. Lower interest rates have convinced management to pay off these bonds now. These bonds are callable at 100. If the market price of the bond is 95, should the company call the bonds at 100 or purchase them in the open market at 95? The market price is lower than the call price, so the company should buy the bonds on the open market at their market pricing. Retiring the bonds on December 31st, 2013 at 95 results in a gain of $1,919. The journal entry removes the bonds from the books and records a gain on retirement. Any existing premium would be removed with a debit. If a company retired only half of these bonds, it would remove only half the discount or premium. A difference between carry value and purchase costs results in a gain or a loss. If the carry value exceeds purchase price, then a gain is recorded for the difference. If the purchase value exceeds carry value, then a loss is recorded for the difference.